Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have the Ninja Slushi. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, guys, what this is it is a slushie maker. It also makes a bunch of other things, as you can see on the front here. It'll do slushies, spiked slushies, frappes, milkshakes, and frozen juice. Over here on the left, you can see there's a couple of buttons here, and these are for customizing the level of coldness. So if you want your slushie more frozen, you can add a little bit more cold. If you want it a little bit less frozen, you can turn the coldness down just a tiny bit and have it a little bit less frozen, which is an awesome feature. In a second, I'm going to show you how this works with a couple different recipes. But first of all, over here is also a rinse button, which is one of my favorite features. It makes this incredibly easy to clean and super, super convenient. It also comes with this drip tray, which goes right here when in use, so that when you're dispensing milkshake, slushie, whatever, it doesn't make a mess of your counter or your table. And when not in use, it stores just right here, and it makes it super easy not to lose. Now we are going to make a vanilla milkshake. We're going to do 1 cup sugar, 5 cups of milk, 2 cups heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Mix this well. The Ninja Slushi doesn't do great with solid objects. You want to make sure that all that sugar gets very well mixed into solution. It's actually also better if you can mix this in some sort of pitcher so you can pour this into the Ninja Slushi easier. I use a bowl and then I pour it back into the measuring cup. Pour the solution into the Ninja Slushi. Next, we're going to turn the Ninja Slushi on, and we're going to select milkshake. And in my case, I like a nice drinkable milkshake that's not super thick, so we're just going to leave it standard. If you wanted a little bit more like soft serve, you could hit it up a notch, and that would work too. If you wanted it a little bit more liquidy, you could also turn it down a notch. In our case, we're just going to leave it standard and let it go. Once it beeps, it's ready to go, and it's ready to drink. On milkshakes, it's recommended that you serve immediately. On slushies, you can pretty much leave it in there for up to 12 hours. Once it starts, it's going to start to rotate on the inside until it's frozen. Once the unit beeps, your milkshake is done, you can go ahead and dispense it. And there you have it, guys. Like, really great milkshake. And I really recommend some good straws because these are really like real milkshakes where you kind of need a straw. It isn't one of these just, kind of like a milky vanilla flavor thing. It's an actual milkshake. It's really awesome. Once you dispensed or used all of the milkshake or the slushie, whatever you made, it's really simple to clean. You just come down here, hit the rinse button. That's going to start to spin. You're just going to add warm water in here until it hits the fill line. And you're going to do this several times. And then you're going to empty it. Then you're going to refill it and continue to empty it until it's clean. Once that water turns out clear, you just lift this handle here, pull this off, also remove this piece. After you have removed those pieces, be sure to clean this off with a damp cloth, this with a damp cloth, and then make sure you dry this, as well as underneath the drip tray if anything got underneath there. What's really awesome as well is that the main unit, the drip trays, as well as the auger are all dishwasher safe. Guys, my favorite thing about this just has to be the fact that it pretty much revolutionizes game nights, family nights, just anytime you're having a party. Like, this thing is just so cool. Like, before I had this, you want to get a milkshake, you have to get everybody up, go to the store, get a milkshake, right? Or you have to go to 7-Eleven and get Slurpees. With this thing, you just put it on your counter, put all your favorite ingredients in here, whether it's a milkshake or a slushie or whatever you're making, and in 20 minutes, you have your slushies, you have your milkshake. And if you want a different flavor, you just pour it out, make your new flavor, and it's just so easy, so simple, guys. I don't think there's ever been a product on the market like this before. And the fact that you can bring this to a game night, which is one of my favorite things to do this with, bring it to like a family gathering or just with friends, you just become the life of the party because you bring this, set it up, and pretty soon you're dispensing milkshakes and slushies, and everyone's having a great time. And in 15 minutes or so, you can make a different flavor. And it's just really cool, guys. It's really fun to experience this thing. I love to make different recipes, experiment with different slushies. You buy some lemonade and you're just using it as normal lemonade, and then you see this and you pour it in here, and it just makes that lemonade like 5 times better. So, guys, there's just so many things you can do with this. It's high quality. It makes a whole bunch of the slushie. It makes a whole bunch of milkshake. I don't know what else I can say about it, guys. It's high quality. I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.